Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this video, I will explain subtopic 1.2 inequality, which is inequality containing the absolute value. Alright. So, how to solve the inequality containing the absolute value? We must follow the properties of the absolute value, where b, the value of b here must greater than 0. Okay, so number 1, the absolute values of a less than b. b is greater than 0. Therefore, a is between negative b to b. Number 2, absolute values of a less than or equal to b. Therefore, a is between negative b and also b, include the end point. Okay, number 3, the modulus of a greater than b. So, a is less than b or, okay, or a greater than b. Same goes to number 4. Okay, example 7. Solve the modulus of x minus 3 less than 0.5. So, b here, b is greater than 0. Okay, so we can follow properties. Check which is the properties that we can use. So, it is less than, so it is between negative b and b. So, x minus 3. So, just write x minus 3. Okay, no modulus sign anymore. Okay, so x minus 3 is between negative 0.5 and 0.5. So, this is from number 1 properties, which is modulus of a less than b. Therefore, a is between negative b and b, not include the end point. And then you solve. Okay, and then this is the answer. Okay, so this is in inequality notation. So, when you draw line graph, the values of x is between 2.5 and 3.5. And at the same time, it does not include the end point. Okay, so open bracket. Okay, open interval. So, this is the interval notation. So, if you want to draw the line graph, okay, this is the line graph. Okay, this is negative infinity to infinity. 2.5 on the left, 3.5 on the right. So, we know that it does not include the endpoint, so whole. So, this is the value of x between 2.5 and 3.5. Okay. Okay, next is the absolute values of 2x plus 3 is greater than or equal to b. So, now we can see that here b is greater than 0, which is 9. So, it satisfies the properties of number 4. Okay, number 4, modulus of a greater than or equal to b. So, when it is greater than or equal to b, it is or. Okay, so when we split, it is or. Alright, so 2x plus 3 greater than or equal to 9 or to union. Okay, so 2x plus 3 less than or equal to negative 9. Okay, and then solve. So, draw the number line. This part, x greater than or equal to 3. Okay, greater than. So, draw greater than or equal to 3. So, this is include 3. So, dot. When it is include, it is dot. Okay, and then this one, x less than or equal to negative 6. Okay, so x less than or equal to negative 6 to the left of negative 6. Alright, and then it is include, so dot. So, in interval notation, since we have two shaded area, so the answer for the first one is less than negative 6. Okay, less than. So, it is from negative infinity to negative 6. And then this is include negative 6. So, close interval. Union because we have two shaded area. Okay, so we want to combine it. Alright. So, at 3, include endpoint, 3 to infinity. Okay. So, for properties number 1 and number 2, okay, when we want to split our answer, okay, since modulus of A is less than B, it is equal to A is between negative B to B. So if we want to solve separately, okay, it will equal to A greater than negative B and okay, A is less than B. So for number 1 and number 2 ni, it is N. Okay, N is when we draw the number line, okay, it is intersection. Alright, intersection. Alright, so for this one, okay, for this one, if you solve separately, you may get X is greater than 2.5, okay, and X less than 3.5. So when we draw the number line, okay, so 2.5 here, and then 3.5 is greater than 2.5, so greater than is to the right, okay, and then X is less than 3.5, less than 3.5 is to the left. And then look at, since this is N, so N is intersection. So look at the overlap area. Okay, so the answer is 2.5, 3.5, and then both are open interval. This one, if you want to solve separately. Okay, so properties number 1 and number 2, if you solve separately, the connection is N, which is the intersection. Okay, number 3 and 4, we use OR, okay, OR, which is union. Okay, which is union. Okay, like this lah, or union. So all lah, all shaded area. Okay, thank you.